Hello everybody, today I'll be making cream lentil soup. Here I have some oil already in the pot, some chopped onions, garlic, and some red peppers. So I will be stir frying this until it's well caramelized and I'll be back. Next I'm adding cumin and some basil. Here I have 4 cups of already soaked lentils, which was probably 3 cups dried, and it doubled, of course, and there it goes. Next, we're going to add water, about 4 to 8 cups, probably, depending on how many people you're going to be serving. Now we're going to add salt. I'm using Himalayan salt. You can use any salt that you have. This part is optional. Here I have some noodles. Now you can skip this part, you don't need to, but I like to add a little bit extra in my cream soup. So I'm going to toast this up. I'm breaking them apart and going to toast them a little bit. I don't need them to be golden or nothing, just toast it a little. And that's going to go in the soup. Okay, so this is almost about to boil, and once it boils, it will cook very fast since these lentils were already soaked, so they do not take that long to cook. Okay, so this has been boiling and it's ready. So now I'm going to use my immersion blender to blend this up and make it into cream. Now to add the noodles. Okay, so we give it a stir and leave it there for 3 minutes. Turn off the stove. The noodles will cook so quick in 3 minutes. Okay, my friends, so here is the result. I hope you try it out. Something quick and easy to make. I mean, for this cold weather here, that lately it's been like almost minus 40 in Ontario. Yes, so cold. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Comment below, thumbs up, share the video, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.